Welcome to Shwasa. I'm going to be taking you through a beginner-friendly weight loss workout. And yoga is a great way to lose weight. You don't need many complicated postures. Just a sequence of simple asanas put together can do wonders, and you'll see the benefit if you practice regularly within a few weeks. So let's get started. Follow me. We're going to add a few perhaps intense variations for those craving some challenge in this flow. So make it your own. Feel free to pause and rest whenever required. And we're going to start at the top of the mat. So join me. The first pose is going to be chair pose, Utkatasana. So you can keep your feet together, but you can also keep your feet slightly apart under the hip width and shoulder distance apart. Keep them parallel. Sitting back. Inhale, both hands up. So you can start with your palms to your chest, and as you feel comfortable, you can stretch your hands up. Inhale, look up, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, come back center. Let's do this one more time because there's an important alignment that you need to keep in mind. Make sure that you're not pushing your knees ahead of your toes. You're sitting back just like you would sit on a chair. You should be able to see your toes and make sure the weight is on the heels and you're not pushing your weight onto your knees. Let's take that one more time. So inhale, sitting back, chair pose, both hands up. Join your palms, maybe look up, hold. 5, 4, go deeper into the stretch if you're comfortable. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, come center. Go half or fully down, however you feel with your hamstrings. Maybe just walk your feet up and down, walk your heels, bend the knees. Inhale, lift your head up, look forward, and exhale, drop down. Coming up all the way, lock your fingers together. Let's do a side bend, a lateral stretch. Go to any side, maybe start with the left or the right. Make sure you're not collapsing the chest and the shoulders. Exhale, center. Inhale. Exhale, center. Let's take a back bend, gentle. Inhale. Head in between your arms. Exhale. Coming down all the way. Gently look forward, bend your knees, step back to downward facing dog. Holding here, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right leg lifts up, pelvis square, hip square, facing down. Bring it down slowly. Left leg lifts up. Try to push your other heel on the floor, but it doesn't matter if it's not touching the mat. Stay here, hold. And exhale, bring it down. Look forward, step outside your palms, right outside, left outside. Coming to Mallasana, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straighten your knees, a little hop or step back. Downward facing dog, knees down, and take Balasana. Coming up from Balasana, okay, we're going to repeat that maybe slightly faster this time. Come to the front of your mat. Get ready for chair pose. Inhale, sitting back, looking up, exhale, center. Samasthiti, inhale, chair pose, sitting back, look up, exhale, center. Both hands up. Go half down and exhale, drop down completely. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, coming up all the way. Going to a lateral stretch, any side, your choice. Chest open. Exhale, knees straight. Inhale. Exhale. Gentle back bend. Eyes open. Inhale. exhale. Coming all the way down, drop the head completely, relax the neck. Gentle bend to the knee, jump back or step back. Look forward, march your feet. Inhale, bring the right leg up. Ek pada adhomukhi, one-legged downward dog. Push the floor away, looking at your toes. Bring it down, left leg up. And bring it down, look forward. Bend your knees, prepare to jump or step outside your palms. Come to Mallasana, hold. 5, maybe join your palms, front of your chest. 4, 3, 2, 1, palms down. Prepare to jump back or step back, downward dog. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down. Take Balasana. A few breaths here. And slowly coming up. Okay, we're going to repeat that one last time. And let's get it to a higher, faster speed. Feet together. If you remember the flow, please go for it. Chair pose. Looking up. Exhale. Drop the head down. Hand to foot, hand to feet, Padahastasana. Coming up all the way, taking the side bend, any side, left or right, chest open, exhale. Inhale, exhale, bend back, exhale, down all the way. Look forward, bend your knees, jump back, right leg lifts up. Let's add a variation here, knee to nose, foot in between your palms, both hands up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms down, leg back, downward dog. From your downward dog, lifting the right leg up. Let's add a small variation here, bring your right knee to your nose. Squeeze that core, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step in between your palms. You can use a couple of blocks like this or maybe place some books if you're not able to reach your palms to the floor. From here, let's come up. Warrior 1. Back straight. Thigh parallel to the floor. Work that quad. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Palms down. Stepping back. Let me just adjust my mic, making sure it's in place. Left leg up. One-legged downward dog. Knee to your nose. Exhale. Hold. 3, 2. Squeeze that core. 2, 1. Step in between your palms. And keeping that alignment, both hands up. Make sure your knee and ankle are in one straight line. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, palms down. Stepping back, downward facing dog. Drop your knees. Balasana. Take a few breaths here. And slowly come up. Okay, so that was one sequence. Let's get into another sequence and include a couple of back bends in that as well. So, starting from Balasana, start in Balasana. Come up to plank. Let's do a few of commandos. There are different names to this. So, elbows, elbows, palms, palms, elbows, elbows, palms, palm. 3 more. Palm, palm. Keep that hip steady. 2 more. Don't lift the pelvis up. 1 more. Coming up. Stay whole plank. Shifting towards your right. You can keep your arm on the hip. Feet together, or if this is hard for you, you can place the outside leg forward. Hold here. Looking up. Hand up. 2, 1. Elbow straight. Coming back, center. Shift to the other side. I'm going to keep my feet here together. Looking up, challenge your balance. 3. It's fine if the arm is shaking. It's doing its work. 2, 1. Come center. Maybe take a chaturanga here. If for the uninitiated, drop the knees. Chest comes hovering above the floor, or keep those knees straight. Scoop forward, Urdhva Mukhi, chest open, shoulders back and down. Squeeze those glutes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently lower yourself down on your belly. Both hands forward. Prepare for locust pose. So lift up the opposite hand and leg. Inhale, lift up. Hold. 2. Breathe. And exhale, relax. Opposite hand and leg lifts up. Hold. Lift the head and chest up. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring it down. Let's prepare to get both hands and legs up. Balance on your stomach. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, relax. Keep your knees to the mat. Nose to the mat. Push back, Balasana. And hold Balasana. Rest. 5, 4 nice deep breaths. 3, 2, and 1. And slowly coming up. Let's repeat that one more time. Starting in your downward facing dog. Coming up to downward dog. Holding here. 3, 2, 1. Coming into plank. A few of those elbows and palms. So dropping the elbows down on your palms. Keep the hips steady. Elbows, palms. Send your belly button to your spine. 3. Up. 2 more. You can change the elbow each time. Maybe do the right once and the left the other time. One more time. Elbows and palms. Shifting on to your right elbow this time. So it's important while you work on weight loss, make sure that you're working on your core as well as your lower back, because the back protects the core and the core protects the back. Yes? So stretch your hands over, hold, keep that balance. Breathe. 2. Lift the pelvis up. Use your core obliques to lift the pelvis up and shift. Onto the other side. Make sure you're not falling over like me. Stretch the hand over. Look at your fingertips. So you can do this or this as per your level of fitness and strength. Coming back on your palms. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Open the chest. Look up or look forward. Squeeze those glutes. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Holding here, catching your breath. Breathe. 2 and 1. Slowly lower yourself down. Prepare for locust. Both hands forward. Inhale, lift. Hold. 3. It's important to keep raising that heartbeat up and lowering it down at alternating intervals. This will be helpful for to achieve your weight loss goals. Exhale, relax, lift, hold, keep breathing, keep that energy moving through your body. 2, 1, exhale, release. Maybe we can change this to a Dhanurasana or a bow pose this time. So bring your feet together, hold on to the ankles, take a breath, relax, and as you inhale, lift up, balance on your stomach, lifting the chest, look up, thighs off the floor, hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Shake your hips out side to side. Relax that lower back. Nose to the mat, pushing back all the way. Downward facing dog. Balasana first. We're going to do this one more time. Downward facing dog. One last time. Slightly faster. Plank. Elbows. Palms. Elbows. Palms. Elbows. Palms. Just because we've picked up the speed, do not lose your alignment. Last one, elbows. Palms. Coming onto your right palm. This time, placing the foot on the inner thigh if you want to. Lifting up, sending the hand over. Use those obliques. Push the floor away. 2. Hold the pose. And 1. Center. Off to the other side. Lift. You can stay here. You can stay here. Whatever variation that you're comfortable with. If you want to challenge yourself, foot on the thigh. Hand over. Lift the pelvis up. Hold. 3, 2, steady. Use your breath to steady your body. And 1. Coming back. Chaturanga. Plank. 2 more. Chaturanga. Plank. So as a beginner, you can be doing this. Bringing the chest down. Straightening the arms. Chest down. Straightening the arms. Urdhva-mukhi, upward facing dog. Squeeze those glutes. Open the chest. Shoulders down and back. Exhale. Breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees. Gently go into Balasana rest. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. Great, if you've made it this far, we're just going to pump up that heartbeat for the last couple of minutes. So come on, downward facing dog. Dynamic movements, right leg outside your right palm. Stay here. Jump and change. Jump and change. Jump and change. Change. You can be stepping. You don't need to jump. You can step. You can step. Okay, we're just lifting up the heart rate. Change. Look up. Change. Use that core. Lift, bounce. Lift. Change. Change. Keep going, don't stop. Change. Change. Last 4. Change. Smile. Last 2. 1 more. Downward facing dog. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, And 1. Dropping your knees, sitting back. Maybe open your knees a little bit wider. Let's get a hip stretch in as well as we begin to cool down. Drop the chest in between. Keep the chin on the floor. Breathe, close your eyes. Feel the changes in your body. And slowly walking your palms back. Bring your knees together. Sit in any comfortable posture. Maybe close your eyes here. Feel that heart pumping within your chest. You can stay here or you can lie down in any comfortable pose. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care.